Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video. In today's video, I'm quickly going to show you the way that you can get the Twitch affiliate status. If you're trying to become and add in the affiliate status on your Twitch account, in today's video, let me show you the process. Open up your Twitch account and then click on the profile icon on the top right and then head over to create a dashboard. Through the creator's dashboard, you'll be able to see the option called analytics on the left hand side. From here, head over to achievements. Now, once you're inside of achievements, the third option you'll see is path to affiliate. In order to become an affiliate or join the affiliate of Twitch, you need to complete the 4 milestones. If you click on this option, the first milestone is 25 followers. Previously, it was 50 followers, but Twitch now have decreased it. The second milestone is you'll need to stream for 4 hours. It was also 8 hours previously. The next one is you'll need to stream on 4 different days, meaning you can also stream on 4 consecutive days. And lastly, and the most hard one to accomplish, is a minimum of 3 average viewers on 4 different days. So if you stream on 4 different days, you need to have at least an average of 3 viewers per session. And now also the thing that you need to keep in mind is that it says right here, you must meet all 4 requirements within the same 30-day period. So for example, if you start streaming today, your days will count, and if 4 of these milestones are not completed within those 30-day period, you'll not be added to the affiliate of Twitch. So make sure that you keep that in mind, and once all of these 4 milestones are complete, you'll be able to send a request and sign up to the affiliate of Twitch. So that was a quick video about the way that you can become an Twitch affiliate. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.